How to send Excel file from computer to WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can send MS Excel file from your computer or your PC or laptop to your WhatsApp. Now it's quite simple. You can head into your Microsoft Store and download WhatsApp. Here you can see I've got WhatsApp. Once you download and install it, simply open it up and link your account here. Once you link in your account, you'll get interface like this. Then here what you want to do is head into the chat that you want to send the MS Excel file to, and once you head it here, you'll get an interface like this. As you can see, I've previously sent a document as well. Now to be able to send document or Excel file, what you want to do is click on the icon that you'll find beside the emoji icon. You can see the emoji icon here, and beside it you can see another icon. This is the attached file icon. Simply click on it here and you'll get varieties of options. Simply click on document option. Now make sure to download the Excel file to your laptop beforehand or to your computer beforehand. Now I've already downloaded it, and now here you'll be able to browse through your computer files. In my case, it's on downloads. Just head into the browser where you have downloaded the Excel file. Here you can see file example. I just downloaded a sample Excel file. Simply click on it and click on open, and it will load up here down below. And once it loads up, what you can do is you can add messages as well, or you can add another file here by clicking on plus icon. Simply click on send icon here and then it'll be sent. So this way you can send Excel file from computer to WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.